My Lead, Learn, Grow conversation cards help leaders and organizations embed learning and growth into everyday conversations. There's three types of cards in the deck: learning mindset question cards, team culture question cards, and action cards. Today, I want to focus on the team culture cards. And specifically, I want to look at this question. Which of your emotions can limit your ability to contribute to your team? At the core of this question is about emotional intelligence in the team concept. So obviously we all have emotions, and our ability to manage and regulate those emotions in ourselves and when we're with other people can really vary. And understanding and being aware of our emotions and how they impact our team contribution and how we interact with others is one of the key fundamentals in being able to manage your emotional intelligence. So this question really looks at how we're each doing and sparks conversations around emotional intelligence. Remember, if your employees aren't growing, they're going. So growing even in the context of understanding and being able to manage their emotions. How can you encourage emotions, which might be a little bit uncomfortable in a work context, but how can you manage emotions on your team and with your team members so you can create a high-performing team?